Hey guys, this is Tina and welcome to my channel Ordinary Queen. I hope you guys doing well during this lockdown. In this video, I am going to show how I am cleaning up my face during this lockdown. So let's get started.
Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel.
Today I am going to wash my face with this Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. What I'm gonna do is I will take a little bit on my hand and wash your face thoroughly.
I'm gonna wash my face and I will be right back. I'm back and this is the time to dry up your face. While drying up your face, don't rub your face. Just dab on your face with your towel or gamcha.
For scrubbing my face, I'm gonna use this product by Biotic. This is Bio Papaya Tan Removal Scrub.
Here you can see how much I have used this product.
We'll take a little bit of water.
While scrubbing your face, you have to be very calm and take your time, guys. This process will help you to remove dead skin, blackheads, whiteheads from your skin.
Now it's time to wash your face with normal tap water. So next step is your face mask. So today I am going to make a clay mask at home. So let's see how am I going to make this clay mask. I will take a bowl and a spoon.
This is filler art, or you can say multani mitti. And I will take 1 tablespoon of filler art. And I will add a little bit of water.
And I will mix it well. You can also add 2 to 3 drops of rose water, but today I am not going to mix. As you can see, my clay mask is ready. So now I am going to apply on my face.
If you have dry skin, don't use this mask during winter season. I have also dry skin, but during summer I feel some oil on my face. And this is the only reason I am applying this mask. regular tap water. Let me close up my face. As you can see, my face is already starts glowing.
So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please press the like icon, and yes, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.